Oh, see that, Daddy?
I didn't do it. Give Hannah the keys.
Here, go get the salad, Hannah.
Poor babies are hungry.
Oh.
It'll be cold on their little feet.
Well, it must not be too cold or they'd get off of it, right?
They're so cute, aren't they? I wish I could keep one.
I don't think we're allowed to keep them, beautiful.
Let's go outside. I'll be careful.
Don't go any further
Wow.
because
Mama,
Mommy's
Daddy can't
afraid.
go up there.
Yeah.
You'll fall through.
The ice will break.
You're cracking.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna crack it.
Then you will fall in like that. But
Look, it's stressing all the way over there.
Yeah.
no. Oh no, the dust
Little
will